今天给大家采购的物资，只要能用英语说出来，就可以领走。
N95
Yes,
Back Ability
you right.
999 Hachi
Good.
Pinovet
Okay.
This This your head Very hot Put in water
One.
No This size small Your head is very big
Wow, you dangerous. WeChat now. 結果出咗嚟啦。傻豬呃你哋㗎，抹得甩㗎。
喂，你呢條抹唔甩㗎喎。
咩啊？
開緊啦！